Hello everyone, this is Yuanjia and welcome to today's Bio Talk. Have you ever experienced this embarrassing situation? You start your morning with a delicious cup of milk, but within minutes, your stomach starts making suspicious noises like this. Then, an unusual warmth spreads through your belly and suddenly, you'll find yourself have to go to the bathroom. If this sounds familiar, congratulations, you might be lactose intolerant. But don't worry, you are not alone. More than 65% of people worldwide lose the ability to fully digest lactose as they grow older. In fact, for many Asian populations, this percent is over 90%. So, why can some people drink milk without any issue while others suffer the consequences? The answer lies in a magical enzyme called lactase. Before diving into lactase, let's first talk about enzymes, because enzymes are the unsung heroes of our life. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reactions without being consumed in the process. Without enzymes, many essential reactions in our bodies would take centuries to complete absorb. And guess what? This job is entirely handled by enzymes. There are many enzymes that work silently in our lives. Have you ever felt that the rice tastes sweet after chewing it for a long time? If yes, it is amylase at work, breaking down starch. Besides, protease breaks down proteins, and lactase help us break down fats and help us digest greasy foods. So, how do enzymes work? To understand how enzymes function, let's imagine a lock and a key. The enzyme is the key. The substrate is the lock. Each enzyme has a specific shape that matches only one type of molecule. Lactase can only break down lactose, just like amylase only breaks down starch. We cannot use amylase to break down lactose and use lactase to break down starch. When lactose enters the intestine, if you have enough lactase, the enzyme will quickly cut lactose into glucose and galactose, which your body can easily absorb. But if your body doesn't produce enough lactase, lactose remains undigested and passes into the large intestine where gut bacteria feast on it, producing gas, acids, and a whole lot of discomfort. This is why lactose intolerant people suffer from bloating, cramps, and diarrhea. Since lactase is so crucial, scientists have designed a fun experiment to measure the activity using color changes. Since lactase itself is colorless, we need a way to see lactase working. To do this, we use a special substitute called OMPG. OMPG looks like glucose to gluctase, so the enzyme happily cuts it. What is the difference? The difference is when OMPG is broken down, it produces a yellow compound called OMP. The darker the yellow, the stronger the lactase activity. So, what we need for the experiment? This is what we need. It looks professional and kind of hard to understanding, and this is their function. According to their function, we can know that the experiment creates an enzyme environment for us to observe the reaction. And then what should we do? First, we extracting the lactase. Grind the lactase supplement tablet into powder and dissolve it in PBS buffer. Centrifuge to remove solid particles and leaving a clear lactase solution. Then we setting up the reaction. We prepare test tubes with different concentrations of lactase and add the same amount of OMPG solution to each test tube to start the reaction. Then we investigate temperature effects. We test the reaction at different temperatures. We predict that lactase works best at 37 temperature, while extreme temperatures will reduce its activities. After a few minutes, we stop the reaction. The darker the yellow, the stronger the lactase activity. This is our lab results. We can see that there are different level of yellow color. So if you are lactase intolerant, does that mean you cannot drink milk anymore? The answer is no. You have a lot of ways to help you digest the milk. For example, you can take a lactase supplement pill before drinking milk, or you can also drink some lactose-free milk. In lactase, lactase is added to milk before packaging. This breaks down lactose in advance, making it safe for lactose intolerant people. Besides, you can also eat yogurt and cheese. Yogurt and cheese already have lower lactose content because bacteria pre-digest some of the lactose. Enzymes are the invisible workers that keep our bodies running. Without them, life as we know it couldn't exist. Lactase is just one example, but it plays a huge role in helping people digest dairy products. If you are lactose intolerant, don't worry. With lactase supplements, lactose-free milk, and food processing technologies, you can still enjoy delicious dairy without this discomfort. Do you have any funny or embarrassing milk disaster story? Share them in the comments. I'm Yanjia. Thank you for watching, and thanks Bio110 for giving me the opportunity to learn the basic bio knowledge.